Last time we talked about taking your existing TECALEMIT fuel management equipment to the cloud. We talked about why. Today we'll talk a little bit about how. First off, the things we're talking about, our system is modular. These are items that you can plug in yourself. Do not need to send the equipment in for refurb. First option, LAN card. Second option, Wi-Fi card. Last option, cell modem. The cell modem includes the antenna, SIM card, and modem. We have tech support available for your help over the phone and PDF documents to assist. My name is Kerry, and I am your fuel management person.